How to fix private provider administrator permission to delete folder error. First, select the folder you want to delete. Then, right-click and choose Properties. Next, go to the Security tab. After that, click Advanced at the bottom. At the top, next to the shield icon, click Change. Then, click Advanced again. On the right, click Find Now. From the list, select the user with administrator permission. Once selected, click OK. Next, check the box for Replace all child object permission entries with inherited permission entries from this object. Then click Apply. Finally, confirm by clicking Yes.
Subscribe to see more videos like this.